On May 16, 2021, the average price of a home in the Phoenix area was $507,578. 1 year ago, the average price was $356,550. That's a 42.4% increase in price. Does that mean your home went up 42% since last year? The answer is probably not. This is Nancy Wittenberg with Coldwell Banker in this month's Market Update. Often when you see news stories about home prices, they usually reference median price or average price. Though these are good measures of overall market value, they might not equate to what's actually happening for your property at your price point. The market has shifted over the last few years with a boom in the luxury market, which has impacted those median average price points. Let's start with a simple math lesson to explain. Average price is calculated by adding a series of values and dividing by the number of values. Median price is calculated by taking the middle value of a series of values so that 50% of the values are higher and 50 are lower than the median. 1 year ago, properties under $400,000 made up nearly 77% of properties sold, and properties over $1 million made up only 2.4% of the market. Over the last year, we've seen those numbers shift dramatically, with only 66.8% of all sales under $400,000 and 4.2% over $1 million. This change alone would shift the average and median price, but that's not appreciation. That's just a change in the mix of the market. Appreciation is an actual increase in value, which is on a fast rise in the valley. How much your home is appreciated will depend on your location, price point, home size, and amenities. As home sizes and conditions vary greatly, even across the same zip code, price per square foot is a much better measure of appreciation. Calculating appreciation based on price per square foot takes out variations caused by outlying properties and a mix of dissimilar homes. For example, the 85040 zip code in Phoenix has a low average price point of just over $241,000, and the zip code fewer homes valued over $500,000. In the last year, the average price has risen 14.9%, and appreciation based on price per square foot is also at 14.9%. But a more diverse zip code like Gilbert's 85234, we have an average sales price over $522,000 with a yearly increase of 30%. However, based on price per square foot, that zip code has seen only 16% appreciation in actual value. This chart shows appreciation based on sales price, but again, your actual appreciation may vary based on location and condition of your property. When looking at a value of your home, we need to compare it to similar homes in your area by size, features, and amenities. Don't be misled by media stories about market pricing. And any online assessment tool or general news story cannot give you the whole picture. Before you rely on generic data to make decisions regarding buying or selling a home, please consult with your trusted advisor. And that's me, Nancy Wittenberg with Coldwell Banker, your dedicated home advocate. If you're thinking about buying or selling in the next year, give me a call and let's create a strategy that works for you.